Okay, hi, I'm going to do another painting video. I finally got the color that I ordered for the piece that I'm potentially going to be doing. She wanted orange, right, for her piece, so I got this Little Piggy Pigments Opaque Neon Orange Boogie, and man, is it pretty. Let me show you what mixed up. Da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da, it's gorgeous. Oh, yes.
Yeah, that consistency wasn't good, so I thickened it up with some paint.
I also ordered these color shifts samples, which I think they're primarily made for resin, because this has happened to me once before where like I said before, I got this one pigment from an art store and it was beautiful with the varnish in it, but then you add the medium, like the valspar or whatever you use for your pouring medium, and it just completely goes away. Like, bleh, it just goes away. The color turns just muddy, gross nothingness. And so then what I would do is I would start extracting this, I think the binder from the DecoArt Extreme Sheens, because it always separates, and it worked really nice. I don't have any of that on me right now, so but I did try mixing them up, because the same thing happened with these guys, but they are so pretty. So if I can figure out how to make these work for acrylic pouring and not just resin, yeah buddy, because man are they pretty. Yeah, I'm just gonna play real fast. I don't have a lot of time. I have to go get my son because the daycare is closed, everybody's sick, yeah. So, yeah.
So, I ended up getting sick. It got me. So 7 days later, and now I am playing. Okay, for this one, I really did just kind of go crazy and just went with it. I just kind of let my brain go and do whatever it kind of wanted to do. I just didn't really think too much. I've been sick lately, so my brain's like, whoa, but sometimes it's good to let your brain just whoa out. This is what I mean by just kind of letting my brain go la-di-da-di-da, because I decided to grab this strainer and just put like all these colors in it, just because I was like, I want to use them, but I don't know how. It didn't really end up in the piece at all, you'll see, but yeah. And here I'm taking my classic Glidden Premium Base 1 and adding that to the concocted experimental base I have underneath. Okay, and the colors I'm using right here is I used Artist Loft's Copper, DecoArt Obsidian, DecoArt 24 Karat Gold, and then my classic neons. We got this Little Piggy Pigments, Inferno, Techno, Hustle, and now Boogie. And then I used my Folk Arts Purple and Green. And of course, swiping with Amsterdam paints, Amsterdam Oxide Black, Amsterdam Titanium White, Amsterdam Turquoise Green, and a little hint of Amsterdam Light Gold I wanted to throw in there. You'll see me bust that out here in a minute. And here it is. I love it. It turned out exactly how I would have hoped. Absolutely crazy, but super duper cool. And that obsidian is popping so nicely. I've been trying to use it in other pieces and it just doesn't really show it off. It's this black, diamondy, sparkly color. I love it. But yeah, there's my neons. You know me and my neons. And last but not least, my silly TikToks. And by the way, so sorry for the weird music. I promise it'll get better.
When you let your mind play, all the fun comes out.